Welcome back to Garden Bound. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of spring onions. These delightful plants are not only easy to grow, but also offer a quick harvest and are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to grow spring onions successfully, from preparation and planting to care and harvesting. Let's get started. Spring onions come in various varieties, each with its unique flavor and growth habit. For home-growing, varieties like White Lisbon and Ishikura are excellent choices due to their hardiness and fast growth. These varieties are perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners looking for a reliable crop. Before you start planting, gather your supplies. You'll need spring onion seeds or sets, well-draining soil, containers or a garden bed, a watering can, and fertilizer. Having everything ready before you begin will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Preparing the soil is a crucial step. Spring onions thrive in loose, well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Start by loosening the soil to a depth of at least 6 inches. Mix in compost or well-rotted manure to enhance the soil's fertility and drainage. This will create the perfect environment for your spring onions to grow strong and healthy. Planting spring onion seeds is straightforward. Sow the seeds about 1/4 inch deep and space them 1 inch apart. You can start them in seed trays indoors or sow them directly in the garden. After planting, water the soil gently to keep it moist, not waterlogged. This initial watering helps the seeds settle and start germinating. If you prefer to use sets, which are small, immature onions, the process is similar. Choose healthy sets and plant them 1 inch deep and 2 inches apart. When buying sets, look for firm, blemish-free bulbs. This ensures a higher success rate and a healthier crop. Spring onions need consistent moisture to thrive. Water them regularly, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so be mindful of the soil's condition, especially after rain. Fertilizing your spring onions will promote robust growth. Use a balanced fertilizer, applying it every 3 to 4 weeks. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the correct application rate and avoid over-fertilizing, which can harm the plants. Keeping the area around your spring onions weed-free is vital. Weeds compete for nutrients and water, which can hinder your onions' growth. Regularly, check for weeds and remove them by hand or use a hoe to keep the soil clear. Spring onions are relatively pest-resistant, but you might encounter issues like onion maggots or thrips. To manage these pests organically, use insecticidal soap or neem oil. Additionally, practice crop rotation and avoid planting onions in the same spot year after year to reduce the risk of soil-borne diseases. Spring onions can be harvested at different stages depending on your preference. For green onions, they are ready when they reach about 6 inches tall, usually within 4 to 6 weeks. If you prefer larger bulbs, let them grow longer, typically up to 8 to 10 weeks. To harvest, gently pull the onions from the soil. If the soil is compact, use a garden fork to loosen it around the plants first. After harvesting, trim the roots and any wilted leaves. Store your spring onions in a cool, dry place, and they will stay fresh for up to a week. Let's recap the key points. Start by choosing the right variety, prepare your soil well, plant your seeds or sets correctly, maintain consistent watering and fertilizing, keep the area weed-free, and be vigilant about pest control. Harvest your spring onions when they reach the desired size. Growing spring onions is simple and rewarding, making them a great addition to any garden. We hope you feel inspired to start your own spring onion garden. Share your experiences and any questions you have in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!